Hey guys, welcome back to Fun Chow. Today we are going to make chili crab, Singapore's most iconic dish. Traditionally, it's eaten with mantou, a form of fried bread, but instead of mantou, I'm gonna make garlic noodles, and it's gonna be stupendous, guys, so let's dive in. To start, we are going to make the chili for the chili crab. About 4 shallots, about 3 garlic, and about 2 ginger. And I like lots of chili, so I'm gonna put about 5 big tablespoons of chili. Now this chili has been blended previously in the Vitamix. So what we are going to do now is to blend everything together and make it into a smooth paste. And to make the flavor really pop, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of this shrimp paste. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of bean paste. Then we add about half a cup of water and blend it. Okay, next for secondary sauce, we are gonna use about a tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a pinch or 2 of salt to taste, and to blend them all in, a couple tablespoons of my blended chili. And if you're interested in learning how to make this chili paste, go ahead and check my short. And also you're gonna need about 1 beaten egg. So we're going to start by making the garlic noodle. First thing we're gonna do is to bring this water to a boil. Then I'm gonna quickly blanch this noodle, store-bought noodle. This is an udon style noodle. What you want to do is turn the heat up a little bit and let it boil for a few seconds. Not too long, about a minute or 2. Until they're all nicely separated like this. Take it out and set it aside. Making the garlic noodle is fairly simple. Just add a few tablespoons of oil. Then we add the garlic. Add your noodle in. Quick stir fry like this. And about a teaspoon of soy sauce. A little bit of green onions or chives. Then we set this aside. And now we are going to cook the crab. You want to start off by turning your heat down to around medium. the sauce in. The chili sauce that we made previously. You want to give the chili paste a good stir fry. I would say maybe 5 to 7 minutes. And you want the color to darken a little bit. Add a few pinches of salt. What I have here is Dungeness crab. The reason why is because we live in the United States and finding Singaporean mud crab or Sri Lankan mud crab is pretty much an impossibility. So this is what I use. The best part about this crab is already pre-cooked, so we're gonna skip the frying part. And in goes the crab. To make stir fry a little easier, I'm going to add about another half a cup of water, because I can see that the sauce is getting dry. Next, we want to bring this to a boil. I'm going to turn up the heat to maximum. It doesn't take too long to cook the crab. Well, it's already pre-cooked. Want to make sure that it's coated well with the sauce. Then we add our secondary sauce. The sauce would add a little bit of sweetness, a little bit more spice. This is where you create a deeper level of taste into your crab. Make sure the secondary sauce is mixed well in the sauce. And for the grand finale, we drizzle the egg in.
Hey guys, it smells awfully spicy in here. Smells like Singapore. We had this dish when we were in Singapore and I'm really excited to try it. I've had Rob's version before and I prefer it. It's less sweet and super spicy. I've never tried it with garlic noodles before, so I'm really excited to see how this combination works. Ooh, I see all this chili in there. And these noodles just, oh, they they're perfectly cooked. Ooh, that's spicy, good. Oh, delicious. Now, when you eat crab, you gotta dig in with your fingers. Are we ready? Let's chow. Dunk it in this chili sauce. That is delicious. You gotta try this recipe, guys. Well, I'm gonna keep digging into this crab. Make sure to click that bell and watch our other videos on some delicious recipes. Ciao.